Let us do meditation again. I'll play the flute.
Sure, sir.
Please close your eyes and begin to become one with your breath. If you want transformation, then you need to do meditation. Transformation is directly related to meditation. The more you do meditation, the more you are transformed automatically. Kindly be with your breath. Be with your normal, natural breath. I'll both play the flute and also keep guiding you. Perhaps under 20 minutes, let us do it. Remember not to open the eyes. Remember that we are all gods. We are all pure gods, coming down from the celestial regions to experience something, to do something on the earth sphere. We have come here. Essentially, we have come from those meditation fields. To achieve something on the earth planet. To do something concrete on the earth planet. Our purpose in coming to earth planet, earth plane, is to give energy to the earth planet. Because we are the energy source. We are the original God, original energy source. We have come here to give energy to this world. When you are doing meditation, energy naturally flows out from within you to the without. It keeps on happening. And because of the energy output, transformation happens automatically, naturally, by itself. We just need to close our eyes and become one with our breath. Then the energy flows. They happen from inside to the outside. You have closed your eyes to the world, but the eyes of the world are open to you, energy-wise. When you close your eyes, then you are generating energy from within. And that energy is flowing out. Whether you are aware of it or not, the energy is flowing out, which is transforming the whole world, beautifying the whole world, energizing the whole world. Meditation is directly leading to transformation. A transformation within and a transformation without. Both are affected when you are closing your eyes and observing the breathing. Your inside is getting affected, therefore your outside is automatically getting affected. And the changes are affected because of the meditation. So let us close our eyes and become one with the breath. Meditation is the key for transformation. The more you do meditation, the more transformed you are. The less you do meditation, the less transformed you are. And no meditation, hardly any transformation. We have to understand that there's a direct relationship between transformation and meditation. And we want to be transformed. We don't know what is transformation, but we want that. And when you sit in meditation, that happens. How it happens is a wonder, but it happens. We become a witness to that wonder of transformation. Becoming one with the normal, natural, easy, soft, simple, tender, peaceful, tranquil breath, my dear friends. Everything begins to happen in the inside. You just need to keep your eyes closed and not make any effort to move the body. And becoming one with the breath, incoming and outgoing breath. You come out of the body consciousness and you go into the breath consciousness. You are not moving your physical body, but you are getting moved with your physical breath. Remove the body word from your mind and keep the breath word in your mind. In the mind, the body has to be replaced with the breath. Then everything begins to happen. The breath is our guru in the art and science of the practice of meditation. So we do pranams to the guru with the breath. And then we sit at the feet of the guru, at the feet of the master, at the feet of the breath. You surrender your mind to your breath. When you surrender your mind to your breath, the mind vanishes and the breath alone remains. When the breath alone remains, after the mind has vanished, after some time the breath also will vanish, becomes so very small that it becomes unrecognizable. In that state of no breath and no mind, no awareness, whatever is happening is called as meditation. We have to take ourselves to the doorsteps of meditation and then surrender ourselves to meditation. We have to take ourselves to the doorsteps of meditation. That's what happens when you are becoming one with your breath. Become one with your normal, natural, easy, soft, simple, tender, peaceful, tranquil breath. Your breath is your guru, your master, your teacher in the practice of the art and science of meditation. Meditation is the greatest art, and meditation is the greatest science. Out of which all of the arts, all of the sciences begin to happen. Meditation is the original art, is the original science. It is the mother art and mother science. And your breath takes you up to the doorsteps of meditation. You have to allow your breath to take you there, to the doorsteps of meditation. As you approach the doorsteps of meditation, the doors you find they're always open. They're never closed. The doors of the meditation are always open to receive the meditator. Once you are in the hall of meditation, then you are meditation. You are into transformation. You get changed from inside out. Mighty transformation happens. The moment you have crossed the doorsteps of meditation and enter into the hall of meditation proper, everything happens to you in spite of yourself. But in the beginning, you have to take, because of yourself, you have to take yourself to the doorsteps of meditation hall. You take yourself to the doorsteps of meditation through your breath. By surrendering your awareness to your breath. Your normal, natural, easy, soft breath. Meditation means transformation. And while you are doing meditation, music helps, mightily helps. The key is the breath. Becoming one with the breath is turning the key. When you turn the key, the lock gets opened. Without the key, the lock is not getting to be opened. But the moment you insert the key and turn the key, the lock is going to be opened. The whole mechanism is there inside the lock for you to put your key and turn it so that the lock gets opened. The key is the breath. Becoming one with the breath is inserting the key and turning it. Instantly they get locked. The lock gets opened. And you enter into the vast spaces of meditation. The key is the breath, my dear friends. Inserting the key and turning it is called as becoming one with the breath. You must become one with your own normal breath. And stay put there. With your eyes closed. Then things begin to happen. Transformation begins. And we become a witness to the great transformation. Just concentrate on the insertion of the key and turning it. The key is the breath. Your own breath. Your own magnificent breath. Now you have to become one with the breath. That is called as inserting the key and turning it in. Let your awareness sink in your breath. That's what needs to be done. We have to take ourselves to the doorsteps of meditation. That's our responsibility towards ourselves. Then the rest, the nature takes care. The nature is a mighty intelligent creature. When you surrender yourself to your own nature, your nature takes care of you. Because nature is your mother. Nature has given birth to you, so nature knows about you. Nature takes care of you, then you are transformed. The baby becomes a grown-up child. The growing child becomes a grown-up adult. Never ever open your eyes. Be with your normal, natural, easy, soft, simple, tender, peaceful, tranquil breaths. That's all you need to do. When it is happening, the baby is taking its own baby steps to the mother. The mother is enthralled when the baby is taking its own baby steps and coming towards her. The mother hugs the baby. And meditation begins to hug you. You are in the warm hug of meditation. We don't want to come out of that hug. This is the original hug, eternal hug. minute. Becoming one with the breath. Thirty seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Kindly keep your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Slowly remove the hands and you may open your eyes and come out of meditation. To give thanks to meditation. Yes, Chandra.
Yes, beautiful meditation. Yes, Karthikeyan sir. Yes, you want to say something?
Swamiji's meditation is always powerful. Flute, voice, everything. It puts us in a trance. We wanted to stay on Swamiji for a longer time.
Well,
your voice is mesmerism. Really. Wonderful. Thank you very much. So meditation is medication. Better than medication. Meditation is miraculous. More and more people are realizing these days, thanks to Chandra's meditation. 100,000 projects. Oh,
yes, I've been hearing from many people from other countries. They told that they are all attending Chandra's workshop and getting immensely benefited.
Global, it is already Dhyana. Dhyana Jagat.
Yes, I've been hearing all those stories.
Oh, good.
Thank you, sir. So we have Justice Rajendran, sir, request you to share your experience and have a question to Patriji.
Morning, Patriji. It's a great experience, wonderful experience. Words fail me in how you have taken us, as rightly DRK sir said. It is mesmerizing, but I will use it. You have put us totally into a transformation. You wanted meditation will transform. We wanted to have more time with you, and by God's grace, I only pray. And today is my marriage anniversary day. I take your blessings, and soon I'll come and meet you, sir. It's the greatest experience, and I wish everyone has to come to this meditation. In fact, I've introduced many of our friends here in this group today because of last time. This is the second time I'm joining this. This has really, this 40 days experience earlier and this 7 days experience now has really made a dent in my life, in my behavior, in my attitude, in my self-esteem, and everything has gone. Thanks to Patriji and Chandra, you have done wonderful. And first of all, I should thank DRK and SVB, sir, to bringing me into this. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Very nice.
Your words.
The judgment is pronounced.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody's experience helps everybody else. That's why we need to hear everybody's experiences. After meditation, we listen to everybody's experience. After dhyana comes Sajjana Sangatya. A Sajjana is a person who does a lot of meditation. When you do meditation, you become a Sajjana. And when you express your meditation experience, that's what happens in Sajjana Sangatya. Every day, lot of dhyanam and then lot of Sajjana Sangatya. Every day is filled with dhyanam, meditation, and Sajjana Sangatyam, listening to meditation experiences. Our ears are meant only to listen to meditation experiences, not to any other opinions, material opinions. No. Our ears are meant only to listen to meditation experiences. And our mouth is only there to express our meditation experience, not to talk about our personal things, which are useless for others. Others' personal things are useless for us, and our personal things are useless for others. Others' meditation experiences are most useful for us, and our meditation experiences are most useful for others. So after doing meditation, we come out and use our mouth and our ears properly. We use our mouth to express our meditation experiences, and we use our ears to listen to all the meditation experiences of others. That's how the whole day is filled up. With dhyanam, and dhyanam, then with listening, and finally speaking a little, expressing our own meditation experiences, what happened to us, that is relevant to others. Our personal life is absolutely irrelevant to others. Others' personal life is absolutely irrelevant to us. But our meditation experiences are absolutely relevant to everybody else, the whole world. And everybody's experience, meditation experiences are relevant, absolutely relevant for us. So after meditation, the proper use of ears and mouth is absolutely important. We open our mouth only to speak our meditation experiences. We open our ears only to listen to meditation experiences. Other things we don't listen. Other things we don't speak. And if there's nothing else for us to speak, and if there's nothing else for us to listen to, we close our eyes and then go into our meditation. Well, ears and mouth are very, very important when you come out of your meditation. That's why I am full of ears to listen to everybody, Chandra. Whenever Karthikeyan sir opens his mouth, we are full of ears. Because Karthikeyan sir opens his mouth to give us teachings of meditation. His life dedicated to meditation, which is bringing so many other people all over the world, all over the country. Because he is using his mouth properly. And we are using our ears properly to listen to Karthikeyanji. We are on the right track, Karthikeyan sir.
Yes,
When
sir.
we are with you, we are all on the right track.
I request. Thank you, sir.
Dhyanadhara is far superior, far better than Annadana and Vidyadana. Is proved by Parmarishi Patriji. Dr. Patriji now, yes. You know, but anyhow, you don't need, you are far beyond all that degrees.
Yes, sir. I request Meena Joysha to. Yeah,
Namaste.
yes.
Namaste, Patriji. Like Dr. Karthikeyan sir said, the meditation experience was just amazing. I mean, I'm still in trance. I'm in such a blissful state. Like I don't want to open my eyes. I don't want to speak. It was just wonderful. Thank you so much. I just wanted to say this. I'm so grateful to Buddha CEO Chandra sir and you, Patriji and Karthikeyan sir and everybody. This is my third session, and I have had so much benefit in my health issues, in my thought process. I think my outlook at life has changed. My sleep has improved, and I can just go on this journey. And I'm just grateful, blissful, and can't wait to do meditation every evening for us. I'm in New Jersey, USA, so this is evening, and also I do it from recording in the morning. This is like the best gift that I've ever received. Thank you so much.
Yes. How did you come in the first place to meditation? When did you come?
This is my third session, so last 3-4 months, 4-5 months.
Why you came here?
I think it's like when you need something, universe sends it to you. One of our friends just forwarded a link in our group to Buddha CEO 40-day session that was coming up. And I think it's a group of 50 people, and I'm the only one who looked up, signed up, and now I'm the big proponent of it. I think I'm like everybody and anybody that listens to me, I've been like telling them about this program and how great it is.
The universe wants everybody to come into the lap of meditation. That's what the universe wants. And that's what the universe gets. What you want is what you get.
Yes.
What you don't want is what you never get. Your deepest want is always fulfilled by the universe. Congratulations that your deepest want is meditation.
Thank you.
Swamiji, I believe in America, the school children are being taught meditation now.
Yes, they are calling it mindfulness, but it is meditation.
Yeah, you may call it by any name. That's a good thing.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's quite being popularized in the name of mindfulness. And slowly, everyone will have to take to meditation, as Patricia is always saying. Because Nidhi Sharma ji to Madam, you have a question? Yes. Nidhi Sharma ji, please go ahead.
हेलो,
Yes.
नमस्कार गुरुदेव।
Yes.
नमस्कार गुरुदेव। मैं मेरठ से बोल रही हूँ सर, और ये मेरा दूसरा सेशन है। एक्चुअली मैं कुछ आपको बताना चाहती हूँ अपने बारे में। 7 अक्टूबर को मेरे साथ बहुत मिसहैपनिंग हुई। मेरे हस्बैंड नहीं रहे कोरोना के टाइम पे, तो मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे ये लिंक शेयर किया, और हार्डली 2-3 डेज हुए होंगे, और मेरा मन अशांत था, तो मैंने ये शुरू किया। मैं तब तक मेडिटेशन के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानती थी, लेकिन मैं रूप ध्यान करती थी। एक्चुअली मैं जगत गुरु कृपालु जी से जुड़ी हुई हूँ, लेकिन मेरा मन इतना अशांत था कि मैं भगवान की तरफ देखना भी नहीं चाह रही थी उस टाइम पे। तो मैं मेडिटेशन के लिए बैठी, और मैंने 3-4 दिन मेडिटेशन किया। मेरे मन को टफ टाइम था, 3-4 दिन तो नहीं, ज्यादा लगे, लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होने लगा। धीरे धीरे मेरे मन को शांति मिलने लगी, और अब मैं डेली मेडिटेशन करती हूँ। और मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अब कुछ करना चाहिए। इसके लिए मैं आपसे मिलना भी चाहती हूँ, और मैं इसे बस अपनी लाइफ में अब उतार देना चाहती हूँ पूरी तरह से। तो आप मुझे गाइड करिए, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे जो इससे शांति मिली है वो मैं आपको शब्दों में उसको मैं बता ही नहीं सकती।
बस ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहना बाबा हर रोज।
थैंक यू सर। आप मुझे ब्लेसिंग्स दीजिए कि मैं अपने इस टफ टाइम से निकल सकूं, और मैं कुछ कर सकूं सोसाइटी के लिए।
मैडम जी, मैं आपको ब्लेसिंग नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि आप भगवान हैं साक्षात। कोई भगवान को ब्लेसिंग दे सकता है क्या? असंभव है, नामुमकिन है। एक भगवान दूसरा भगवान को ब्लेसिंग नहीं दे सकता है।
लेकिन सर
हाँ, बातचीत कर सकता है।
आपके शब्दों से हमें ताकत मिलती है सर।
बस
आपके शब्दों से हमें ताकत मिलती है, और उसी से हम अपनी जर्नी को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं सर।
इसीलिए शब्द सुनते ही रहना चाहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग, फॉर दिस ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस सर। थैंक यू।
रोज हर दिन ध्यान को अपनाते ही रहना चाहिए। हर दिन होती है ध्यान के लिए।
यस जी सर।
हर दिन है ध्यान के लिए। हमें ध्यान
और
ही करना है, बस आंखें बंद करनी है।
जी सर, और जो एक्सपीरियंस इसके बाद मुझे होने शुरू हुए हैं ध्यान में, वो मैजिकल है। मतलब वो मैं एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं कर पाती। कभी कभी वो ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं कि वो इतनी पीस और इतनी शांति मिलती है फिर पूरे दिन के लिए, कि मुझे लगता है कि अगला दिन कब शुरू हो और कब मैं मेडिटेशन में बैठूं। वो जो मेरे 1 घंटा होता है, वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पूरे दिन का सबसे अच्छा टाइम। और उस 1 घंटे की वजह से मैं पूरा दिन अपना पीस में निकाल सकती हूँ। मुझे ऐसा लगता है सर।
सभी का अनुभव ऐसा ही होता है।
और मैं एक्चुअली मेरे पास अभी और भी थोड़ी लाइबिलिटीज हैं, तो मैं और समय नहीं दे पाती, लेकिन मेरा मन करता है मैं और करूं। मतलब मैं दिन में 3 घंटे मेडिटेशन करने की कोशिश करती हूँ। मैं क्योंकि जूम पे कुछ क्लासेस भी लेती हूँ, मेडिटेशन की नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं कोचिंग करती हूँ। कोचिंग तो वो भी मुझे टाइम देना पड़ता है, लेकिन मुझे मेडिटेशन की जैसे एक भूख एक प्यास होती है, अब वो जग गई है अंदर से। और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ पीएसएम की वजह से हुआ है। अब जो आपका जो कहना है कि पहले मैं रूप ध्यान करती थी, ध्यान में एक रूप को लेके आती थी, लेकिन अब वो मैंने जब उसको छोड़ा तब मुझे मेरे मन में एक शांति महसूस हुई। पहले मुझे वो शांति नहीं लगती थी। वो मैं रूप, मेरा सारा का सारा कंसंट्रेशन उस रूप में होता था कि मैं उस रूप को देखूं। लेकिन अब मैं बिल्कुल खाली महसूस करती हूँ अपने को अंदर से। तो मैं सही जा रही हूँ सर?
आप बिल्कुल सही है बाबा, बस आगे, बस और क्या चाहिए, इसी को बरकरार रखिए।
और मैं आपसे पर्सनली, आपका ऋषिकेश में, क्योंकि मेरे सबसे नियर बाय, क्योंकि मेरठ में रहती हूँ, तो मेरे लिए हैदराबाद आना इतना पॉसिबल नहीं है। तो ऋषिकेश में जब भी आपका उधर कोई भी सत्र होता है, कोई भी सेशन होता है सर, मैं जरूर अटेंड करना चाहती हूँ।
हरिद्वार में कुंभ होने वाला है, मैं उस वक्त हरिद्वार रहूंगा मैं।
ओके सर, डेफिनेटली मैं आपसे मिलूंगी पर्सनली। आप मिलते हैं ना पर्सनली सर?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बाबा।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर। ओके सर,
Always there.
थैंक यू।
Yeah, Devji, as we're talking about it, Shastriji, Shastriji's home, Vani and I are here. So it may be right time that Shastriji can talk about the. Can you spotlight Shastriji, please? Here, add to spotlight. Yes. Yes, Shastriji.
सर नमस्कार सभी मास्टर्स को। एंड पत्री सर एक बार मैसेज में कहा था कि बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन्स बहुत कुछ होता है, पर्दे के सामने कुछ दिखता है। ऐसा ही बुद्धा सीईओ गए 8 महीनों से बहुत जोरों शोरों से काम चला रहा है। आज आप देख सकते हैं उसका विजृंभणा कैसा हुई है। आज एक गणतंत्र दिवस के ऊपर में इतने लोग एकत्रित होते हुए एक प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर में मिलकर बात कर रहे हैं ध्यान के बारे में, जैसा अभी पत्री सर ने कहा है, और उसके बाद अपना डॉक्टर कार्तिकेयन जी भी दोहराया है। भारत वर्ष के निर्माण के लिए एक ध्यान जगत, शाकाहार जगत और पिरामिड जगत के लिए हम हर एक व्यक्ति जो जूम में ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं, बुद्धा सीईओ का माध्यम से जो ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं, हर एक का फर्ज बनता है हम मिनिमम 2 लोगों को बताएं कितने लोगों को हम लोग बदलाव ला सकता है। ऐसा ही मैंने अपना जर्नी 13 साल पहले शुरुआत किया हुआ था। मैं भी एक कॉर्पोरेट एग्जीक्यूटिव था। मेरे को भी एक मीटिंग में बताया गया है कि ध्यान कैसा होता है, क्या करना चाहिए, कैसा करना चाहिए। वैसा ही मैं ध्यान में उतरा है। मैं अपनी शारीरिक रुग्मताओं को दूर किया है। वैसे ही माध्यम से जब मेरा शारीरिक रुग्मताएं दूर हुआ है, तब से हमारा एक ही प्रण लिया है, हर एक व्यक्ति को एक ध्यानी बनाना है, एक शाकाहारी बनाना है, एक पिरामिड ऊर्जावान बनाना है। ऐसा संकल्प के साथ हमने ही शुरुआत किया था। हमारा ही शुक्रगुजार है कि पीएसएसएम के लिए, पत्री सर के लिए, सभी मास्टर्स को लिए ऐसा मार्ग के ऊपर में लाने के लिए। बट मार्ग लाने वाला एक ही है, मार्ग को अपना कर चारों नूर पहुंचाने के लिए अपना भीतर से आना चाहिए। यही प्रयास कर रहे हैं। सभियों के लिए हमारा धन्यवाद कहते हैं। और एक जैसा अभी बताया है पत्री सर ने, हरिद्वार में कुंभ चालू हो रहा है। मार्च 1 तारीख से लेकर अप्रैल एंड तक 45 डेज का कुंभ है। उस कुंभ में पीएसएसएम भाग ले रही है। उत्तर भारत के सभी मास्टर्स को हम आमंत्रित करते हैं कि इस महाकुंभ में पीएसएसएम के साथ जुड़ने के लिए आप सभी लोग भागीदार बनिए, आप सभी लोग आइए। इतना मौका देने के लिए चंद्रा सर के लिए मेरा अनेक धन्यवाद। पत्री सर के लिए मेरा शत नमन। धन्यवाद सर।
वसंता जी बात करिए।
Namaskar to all the masters. I am Vasanta Shastri from Delhi. So, as my husband spoke just now, we are doing meditation for the past 12 years. Coming to meditation was before that also, we have tried many other methods. So, it was not going well with us. So, we thought there was guru and we went to astrologers, we went to many other things, but it did not bring happiness to us. Why? Because my husband was very ill at the time. He has got chronic health issue Is a clots in his brain and left side paralysis he got. So we tried many methods for healing, but nothing clicked at that time. So we went to many healers, but nothing was happening. So then doctor only suggested that go for meditation. So we went at that time to different organizations, but we did not like it. So then suddenly one day it so happened that my husband met one of our friends where he was a pyramid master. So there he learned meditation and has come home. After that, he started doing within 3 to 4 months, where it's a chronic disease. It has healed in such a way, just by sitting under the pyramid. So he cured his disease. That was a miracle for us. Why? Because at that time, my kids are very young and even I didn't know what to do. So it so happened, he cured his disease in such a way, it brought so much changes in us that we started thinking this message should go to everyone. So no doctor, no medicine. That was the message we want to give it to everyone. So we started teaching meditation at our place only. So, so that is how our journey has started. So complete happiness, where the relationships improved and the health improved and everything. What happiness we wanted in our life, we got through this meditation. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity, Chandra sir.
Wonderful, madam. Dear friend Shastri ji and Vasanta madam, senior most pyramid masters from Delhi, and I've been doing immense amount of meditation work for the last 10 plus years, immense amount of work in North India, and coordinate a lot of activities. So anybody, in fact, today we are in the Delhi, we are meeting, some of us are meeting in PMC, Pyramid Meditation Channel Delhi office at 10:30. So they will be there, we can meet. And
Shastri
Yes, sir. I'm so happy, sir. You are giving all over your place, sir. It's wherever we will go, that is our home. Now we are in Delhi and our home, sir.
Speak up.
Yes, sir.
She's speaking, sir.
Yes, I'm talking, sir.
Yeah.
Wherever we are going, that is our home, sir. That is what you create the world. PSSM houses everywhere, sir. I'm really happy today with Grand Masters, Shastri sir and Vasanta madam. And yesterday I met Alekia. She is wonderful. And PMC Hindi, they're doing great work. Always you'll give for the right work for the right people. They're really doing the great work, sir. Definitely the work is going to be great level, sir. How PMC Telugu it happened, now Hindi it will happen like that, sir. That's what we saw. And thank you for all the time you are giving an opportunity for everyone for the prove themselves to do the best work. You will see the inner potential and you will give us, sir. That is what we all get. You are an unconditional mother, I thought. You crossed that about my birthday time when I asked message. You said one word, you know everything, let's celebrate. No need to give any message, you so told. As mother, at least have some expectation to tell certain things and for their own growth, but you always give the opportunity to liberate free and free will, everything. Because of that, the commitment will be self-responsibility, and with the great energies, we always be with you, sir. Thank you so much for the great opportunity all the time, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.
Shastri Garu's dedication is amazing. 24/7, all the time. He's thinking of meditation, speaking of meditation, walking around, running around all the time. Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Like Chandra doing it from Bangalore. Shastri Garu is doing it from Delhi.
He's doing 1,000 times more, sir. He's doing 1,000 times more. We have, yes, we have, so Prithviraj Singh, sir, you wanted to ask a question? Please go ahead. You can unmute yourself. Yeah. Unmute yourself. Please go ahead. You have to.
Yeah. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
I joined first JTTP 2 session and then third session. Thereafter, I have joined your session. I'm feeling wonderful. When the first breath starts, when my attention starts the first breath, I'm filled with the sweet pressure, sweet and blissful pressure, first from my this chakra, chakra, and then it spreads to my eyes, whole of the mouth, face, my ears, and my hypothalamus. It is filled with the sweet, blissful pleasure, and whole body feels very, very, very peaceful. That is my experience, and I feel wonderful in this. There are so many things which I experienced, and the only thing is that sometimes I get this energy becomes very extra, that pressure becomes extra. So I request Patriji just guide me how to, if there is any energy comes, how to get over it. That's only my question. Otherwise, I feel very well. Sometimes I got excess energy. That energy which is very blissful, which gives pressure and everything. But sometimes it becomes very excess, and then it fills my crown chakra, with much pressure. But I started your dhyana, this dhyana meditation. The pressure is reduced.
So many things happen in meditation because you receive more energy. We have to go along with all those special efforts in meditation. Many things will happen because of excess energy. And that's what we are here for, to experience that excess energy and to experience those special effects in our body. Swamiji, congratulations for your excess energy. I want more excess energy for you every day. More and more excess of energy. Yes?
Yes, sir. Vicky from Minneapolis. She's a young master, has been meditating and then started teaching. You have a question, Vicky? I want to share.
I want to share my experience today. So today I was meditating with you and with Patriji. First, Namaste, Patriji. And it was one of my best experiences that I had, my best meditation that I had. I was like empty, and I also felt some heaviness in my head. Like I couldn't keep my head straight. It kept like bobbing back and forth. But it was really nice meditation. It was one of the best meditations I had throughout the day. And also, my family became vegetarian. Like before, when we through just one session of the meditation of Buddhist meditation, just one session, then we became vegetarian. And we won't eat any meat or anything. So yeah, I feel very nice and very blissful. So thank you so much for this meditation, for this experience.
Yes, the first transformation that happens is you become a vegetarian. And that's a mighty transformation. Congratulations to this young girl.
Thank you.
From Minneapolis, yes. We've got many masters in Minneapolis.
I'm from St. Louis.
St. Louis, sir. Sorry, St. Louis. Yes.
St. Louis, okay.
St. Louis, they have forming a community, so they're bringing more people. They're connecting, sir. So they're.
I have been to St. Louis twice.
Oh.
I was there twice in St. Louis. So please teach meditation to all the people of St. Louis.
Yes, yes, I will do. Thank you so much. We'll do that. That'll be my next goal.
You must teach everybody in the St. Louis.
Where's your family today?
They're here with me. They're just not on screen. My mom is over here. My dad is over here.
Bring them inside. Why are they outside?
Namaskaram, Patriji.
Yeah, Baba.
Yeah, we became vegetarian after one session. That was like a good, best transformation from our end. And we introduced to almost like 10-15 families. They are all doing the meditation. And that too, my family, my father, mother, all brothers, kids. My father had a back pain from almost like 6-7 years, from 6-7 years. Now, when he is lay down, before yesterday he was saying, now he is not able, he is not getting pain. So he is overcome that pain now. So that is like a good thing for my father. So I'm keep telling to my father, he is also started watching PMC channel because we have like lack of internet facility in my village. So that was like a one very good thing for us, like for us. So my dad is become, I hope my dad will walk very soon.
The whole world will walk and run because of meditation.
Yeah, it's all blessings from you. Thank you.
Not only your dad, everybody's dad will walk and run, will fly because of meditation and because of vegetarianism. Meditation brings in vegetarianism, transformation. That is the transformation I am speaking about. From violence to non-violence. From cruelty to compassion. That is the transformation from being a non-vegetarian to a vegetarian. That is mighty transformation. And because of the transformation, everybody's dad will be healthy and happy. And will begin to run and will begin to fly. The whole world will run, will fly because of meditation. Because of meat eating, everybody is suffering. That is the source of all sufferings. Meditation is the source of removal of all sufferings. By giving transformation. What transformation? From cruelty to compassion. From being animal eater to a plant eater. That is the transformation we are speaking about. The whole world needs transformation. The whole world is suffering for lack of transformation. And meditation supplies that transformation. And for meditation, you just need to go to your own breath. You don't need to go out of your home. Stay in your home and go to your breath. And transformation happens. From cruelty to compassion. From animal eating to plant eating. Well, that is the transformation. From disease to health. From suffering to happiness. For everybody. Happiness for everybody. Health for everybody. Transformation for everybody.
Yes, sir. We have Divya, of course, our master from Dallas wanted to talk to you, share something. Divya, go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Divya.
Hello, sir. Very nice to see you today, sir. Very happy. Sir, today I felt your presence in my home, sir. I literally felt you standing next to me, sir. And I want a permission from you, sir. So I got an intuition to translate a book, sir, about spiritual parenting, written by Devi Chakka, sir, Dhyana Matrutvam.
Okay.
I want to do it in English, sir.
Very good. Please do it.
So, thank you, sir. I was thinking that whether I can do it or not. I was doubting myself, sir. But today I felt your presence when I'm trying to look at the pages and see what I can do. So I want to share that with you, sir.
That's very great, Baba.
Thank you, Divya.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
I want to show one great book to everybody. I am reading right now. This is called as Our Magnificent Afterlife.
Okay.
By David Lundberg. Everything about life after death is there in this book. Everybody should read this book, Chandra.
Okay, sir. I'll post
The
this.
title of the book is Our Magnificent Afterlife.
Yes, I got that.
What happens to us when we die, when we vacate our physical body? He has compiled all the knowledge in this wonderful book.
Okay, sir.
Divya, you must read this book. This book is compulsory for everybody. Because we are all going to die. And what happens after death? We come to know through this book. I've been reading such books for the past 40 years. Hundreds and hundreds of them, thousands of them. And this is one more book. And I find this book very, very beautiful. Every human being should read this book. Our Magnificent Afterlife. By David Lundberg.
Okay, sir. Got that. Looks very beautiful, sir. Yes. Get this.
Thank you, Chandra.
Thank you, sir. That's great. One more book introduced. Sangeeta Goyalji. You have a question?
Yeah. Namaskar, Guruji. Namaskar, Chandra ji. I'm really feeling blessed to have with you. And गुरुजी मैं जब भी मेडिटेशन करती हूँ बैठते के साथ ही मैं ऐसे थोड़ा हल्का हल्का ऐसे घूमने लगती हूँ. ऐसे लगता है मेरा थोड़ा मैं हिल रही हूँ और मेरे को प्रेशर महसूस होता है फोरहेड पे, अपने क्राउन चक्रा पे और मेरे हार्ट पे. मेरे को बहुत प्रेशर फील होता है और पेन होता है मुझे.
होने देना
जी,
होने देना बाबा
जी. और मेरे लेफ्ट जैसे मैं बैठती हूँ तो मेरा लेफ्ट जो लेग है वो बिल्कुल नम हो जाती है और उसमें बहुत पेन होता है.
अरे बहुत पेन होना चाहिए बाबा, तभी तो उसका लाभ मिलेगा आपको.
जी जी.
और बैठना चाहिए और पेन को सहन करना चाहिए. बस
जी जी.
सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा.
गुरुजी मैं 2-2.5 साल पहले विपस्सना भी गई थी 10 दिन के लिए और वहाँ पे लास्ट डे मेरे को मेरी बस सांसें बहुत तेज चलने लगी बैठे बैठे मेडिटेशन करते हुए और जब वहाँ लोगों ने मुझे खुद उठाया, इवन कि मेरी बॉडी भी बड़ी स्टिफ हो गई थी, उन्होंने खोला तो मेरे बहुत इमोशंस बाहर आए थे, इवन कि मैं हाफ एन आवर तक मैं रोती ही रही थी। तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि मुझे क्या हुआ था। उसके बाद से मैंने इतना मेडिटेशन करना कम कर दिया था, लेकिन फिर भी मैं बैठे बैठे, जैसे मुझे होता था कि जब थॉट्स नहीं है तो मुझे अच्छा लगता था, तो मैं ऐसे बैठी रहती हूँ बिना थॉट्स के, कि जब थॉट्स नहीं आ रहे तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
बस आज से इसको आगे बढ़ाते रहना चाहिए आपको। 1 घंटा, 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे बैठना चाहिए
जी।
दिन के 24 घंटे भला क्या करते हैं आप? अरे बैठना बाबा।
जी जी जी, मेरे को वैसे भी अकेले रहना अच्छा लगता है।
आप सही रास्ता में आ गए हैं, अब इसी में आगे बढ़ते रहना बाबा।
जी जी गुरुजी।
और ध्यानियों से संपर्क में रहना चाहिए।
जी जी।
अपने जो साथी हैं ध्यानियों, उनका अनुभव सुनते ही रहना चाहिए। जिंदगी भर की कहानी है ये।
जी करती हूँ मैं।
सबका सुनते ही रहना और अपना करते ही रहना।
जी।
सभी का सुनना चाहिए।
जी जी।
हर एक योगी के साथ, हर एक ध्यानी के साथ, हर एक ऋषि के साथ बनकर रहना चाहिए।
जी मैं YouTube पे काफी सुनती रहती हूँ, बुक्स भी पढ़ती हूँ।
बस वैसे ही करना बाबा।
जी जी। और जी जी।
आप कहाँ से बात कर रहे हैं?
जी मैं सिडनी से, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से।
माय गुडनेस।
जी जी।
हफ्ते में एक बार मुझसे बात किया करिए आप।
जी जरूर। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
Proceed, Baba. Proceed with your meditation. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Sangeeta Garuji. Yes, sir. We have Rakesh Mishra, Mr. Rakesh Mishra from Toronto. Yes, sir. No question. Please go ahead.
Patriji, Namaskaram, Rakesh Mishra. So I come from Allahabad, UP, and living last 20 years in US and Canada. And Patriji, when I came 20 years back here, I realized there is a lot of wealth, a lot of money, and a lot of resources, but everybody's so empty and hollow. And I started sharing our simple, like, Indian, those things, our spiritual things, like, you came alone, you leave alone, and all we left here. And, especially with the white crowd. And they start taking so seriously. So I decided to get my freedom at 45th birthday and then live for others. So I retired financially for my family and whatever needed. And now I'm just in the, in the movement is called the One Planet, One Family. And I've realized that India, like Guru like you, we have so much of yoga and meditation from India, but why it is not standardized globally? Osho came and so many gurus came, Maharshi Yogi came and they lived very limited time and they left then and there only, nothing is being standardized. I found so connected with you because of your simple teaching, just focus on the breath. And I want to take it to really a very different level. And my question from you, are you doing anything to reaching to the corporates or so-called the rich people in India, where they can really contribute today, maybe around 100 crore rupees, and we can reach every corner, 8 billion people, or almost 6 billion people, they are connected with social media and internet. For the children, different set of program. For adults, different. For all, different. And we can create a revolution. Do you have any thought on that?
That's what is happening, Baba. That's what is happening everywhere. Only thing you are not aware of it.
Patriji is not like that. Patriji, you showed me a book. I'm sorry for interrupting. You showed me a book written by a David. Why not a book from Patriji? Why you need to show the David book sitting in India, Patriji? Without, excuse me for my, question, but you are like a great person, making life so easy. Why not you put these things in the video program or in a book so that, we can spread around the globe? And my life is dedicated to human health.
I am not an India chauvinist.
Sorry,
I'm a universal man. Wherever there is wisdom, I learn from it.
That's what I'm saying. Why not you put together your own knowledge in form of the book, like you have shown the David after death?
My knowledge has come from all the Western masters, Baba.
Okay. Thank you.
My knowledge has come only from Western masters, not from Upanishads, not from Bhagavad Gita.
Thank you. Thank you. This is what I wanted to say. These books, I read all the Vedas and Gita, but this is so complicated. But the Western world, what they have done, they have made it so simple. Now, I was afraid to say that, right? You are saying this. This is the problem.
Begin to learn from Western masters, Baba.
That's why I migrated, that I will go and learn from there and teach to them and be here. That's why I migrated here. That was my first question, because all went to the Western. Why we need to come to the Western? Either Sadhguru or is also all are coming to Western. India needs them. Why they are coming to the Western? My question is this: what they need? They need money, influence, power. Why they are the Eastern Guru coming to the Western? Why not they stay there and help our people?
There is no East, there is no West, Baba. There are only human beings everywhere. And human beings need wisdom everywhere. So please don't find fault with anybody, any master.
All right. We'll have last one. Raja Rajeshwari madam, you wanted to ask a question? With that, we'll take a message from Patri sir.
Hello. Namaste, Patriji sir.
Yes, please.
I'm not telling English, sir. I'm only Telugu, sir.
Okay, proceed in Telugu.
I am living in Kanagiri from Ravindra sir, this class attending. So I'm small, చిన్న హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ తోటి వచ్చాను సార్ మెడిటేషన్ లోకి. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ క్లియర్ సార్. సో లైక్ మైగ్రేన్ హెడేక్, హ్యాండ్స్ నర్వస్ పెయిన్స్, అండ్ నా డెలివరీ టైంలో కాలు కూడా ఒకటి ఫ్రాక్చర్ అయ్యింది సార్. సో అది కూడా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 10 years బ్యాక్ నుంచి నేను ఆ పెయిన్ పడుతూనే ఉన్నాను. లాస్ట్ 1 month చంద్ర సార్ ఫస్ట్ సెషన్ జాయిన్ అయ్యాను సార్. సో 40 days కంప్లీట్ గా చేశాను, మార్నింగ్ అండ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఒక్క రోజు కూడా మిస్ అవ్వకుండా చేశాను సార్. కంప్లీట్ గా ఆల్మోస్ట్ హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ అన్ని కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినాయి సార్. సో నేను చంద్ర సార్ని కలవడానికని కట్టాలకు వచ్చాను, బట్ నేను ఇటు వచ్చాను సార్ దెన్ అక్కడ ల్యాండ్ అయ్యారు. సో చాలా బాధపడ్డాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ టైం మీట్ అవుదామని ఉన్నాను సార్. అండ్ నాకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది సార్. నేను మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తున్నాను 1/2 hour నుంచి, నేను ఇప్పుడు 2 hours 2.5 hours వచ్చేసాను సార్. అంటే చేయగలుగుతున్నాను, కానీ కాళ్ళు చాపుకొని చేయగలుగుతున్నాను, కానీ పద్మాసనం వేసుకొని చేయాలనేది నా ఇష్టం. ఇప్పుడు చేయగలుగుతున్నాను సార్ నేను. అది కాళ్ళు ఫోల్డ్ అవ్వదు నాకు, ఇప్పుడు చేయగలుగుతున్నాను నేను. అలా ఎంత పాసిబుల్ అయితే అంతే చేస్తున్నాను, బలవంతంగా చేయడం లేదు. సో ఇప్పుడు 1.5 hours కూర్చోగలుగుతున్నాను సార్ నేను ఆల్మోస్ట్. ఈ రోజు కూడా మార్నింగ్ 6 స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాను, 7:25 వరకు నేను అసలు రాలేదు బయటికి. అప్పుడు మీ వాయిస్ విన్నాక నేను అప్పుడు బయటకు వచ్చాను. సో 1.5 hours కూర్చోగలుగుతున్నాను సార్. దెన్ నేను ఇంకా ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, పద్మాసనంలో కూర్చోగలనని కాన్ఫిడెంట్ కూడా వచ్చింది సార్. అండ్ నాకున్న క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, నాకు కోపం తగ్గడం లేదు సార్. వెంటనే రియాక్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాను ఎవరు ఏదైనా అడిగిన దానికి. కొంచెం
కోపం చాలా మంచిది, కోపం చాలా మంచిది.
ఓకే. అండ్ షివరింగ్ కూడా ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది సార్. అంటే
రానియండి, కోపం రానియండి, ధ్యానం ఎక్కువ చేస్తున్నాడు అంతే.
ఓకే.
ఫస్ట్ హాలాహలం వస్తుంది, తర్వాత అమృతం వస్తుంది. క్షీరసాగర మదనంలో ఎవరికైనా కానీ ఫస్ట్ కోపమే వస్తుంది, హాలాహలం వస్తుంది, తర్వాత అమృతం వస్తుంది. హాలాహలం అని చెప్పేసి ధ్యానం మానేసేయదు, క్షీరసాగర మదనం మానేసేయదు, కంటిన్యూ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. హాలాహలం పోయి అమృతం వస్తుంది. Okay, na?